smell. You also smell. Hello guys, I'm back. Vakuni biju my face. Nito baka kila via bika vachara teka vichawira. Hai teka hai honene ima hai mai lai chora ini cho. Tu ichina mai chicha doli ajolai. How to become a YouTuber nya? Mane I know shoma hai tania para shoma. Listen how ida da. Mane I know shora how to become a YouTuber. Ni haka kini YouTuber mali. Studio lagi rum ha. Selesai. Iha YouTube ka YouTube ko jo ha podai ngo pa pare. Acha pengucul le poko pa pare. Do kulas ka tele damasku kulas maram hine. Ka tele ha corona tele hine ko tare. Ka kini khobta ge le zai corona tele hine ha to ha pa ki pa ha mure kama sama lipa da ha mure boring shobre. Oi ये है वीडियो से जो है इंटरेस्ट शो जो मैं आ रहा है ऐसा किंगा से बिका मो वो बोरिंग शो बागे यूट्यूब का जेब सोशल ने सब ताजु फाके ये है ते सब ताबा तो ते जेब ताला शो बरा हाली हाय how to become a YouTuber ने का कि YouTuber माले सुल लगे लेजा ने तो बाही पमो बाही ने तो वीडियो नो जो है कैमरा दुरा मोबाइल फोन दुरा वीडियो दिन नो खाओ और वीडियो होना है YouTube में अपलोड सुखाओ तो चिबाइम से ये तो शोजा यूट्यूबर दादाम ना ये बे फेसबुक हिल हो इंस्टाग्राम हिल हो और फोटो ले अपलोड सोशल और निने चिल ले रोशो ने से इंस्टाग्राम ले हो से फेसबुक का विदाम ना ते जे ने निने YouTube में वीडियो ले अपलोड सोली से ने से यूट्यूबर दादाम ना ते बे थैंक यू बाय बाय अन्ना how to become a YouTuber and how to become a good YouTuber ro hai difference liko bira how to become a good YouTuber ro hai ne you wish somewhere ana dali what's up bawle first step the acha upload your videos and upload your videos regularly and be consistent và những video hay thông online upload server or thao show erasure don't be like me what I did I used to upload today and I will upload after 2-3 months or like 2-3 years. That's very bad for your YouTube growth, for your YouTube tomorrow grow. Okay, so that is number 1. Number 2 is be energetic and be interesting. Don't be like me. Nah, I'm very boring. Look, just now what I did. I'm just sitting on the chair and I'm just saying blah blah blah. This is very boring. If you want to be a good YouTuber, be interesting. Sing a very interesting song, dance a very interesting dance, or do something very interesting or do something very funny. That's what the people want from you. That's what the people want from me. Step number 3, be creative and be original. And again, don't be like me. What I did was, I used to make some other videos or some audios, like sounds to my video, and that's how when I did that I have the chance of getting copyright strike, and when I did that I won't be able to monetize my videos. Okay, maybe last point, please subscribe, like and comment. Please stop using this not a general opinion, this is my own opinion. If you don't like it, I don't mind. You don't mind. Oh my way. Nia kalia e kalia. Ana awi opinion awi. That's such only share sobra. Hi Kirana. Yes. Even I use please subscribe, like, and comment in the beginning, and even you should use too. Wah. oh dasini kelen ni mari ma support ngol re done community ma support ngol re done ni va youtube grow re done tena hai khoje do ba kholo ye khora ye kholo anna some people makima video to sar va please subscribe like comment please rutali duna video to sar mani video ali hine at pak dango please subscribe like comment ne khoda bibamna oh kairin wa ma iha mane subscribe so video ko sobara amasa khokha ba jo fera so ba na mane subscribe so mone thala rebe mo ne to mane subscribe so mole ga ne to ha youtube ha oh da la sa gross solo mo rebe mo ne to tell mo ne che ba ba bu ne da san tikin khokha na da to khama beggars ma bu wa ta chale tai ne compulsory ne khong mai ba oh no enjoy wa ne da youtube video so ge kai je me so ge ro ha ga shune so sho enjoy so ba ne dai ro no ne ro lo ne dai thong no tholo va shone va je ne va je ne va shone mi ba acha tel khai mone hai mane ai question no shorai how much do you earn in youtube yes youtube ne sana ka ju kyure ge mo ka ju ge ro hai mane ai no shobra sene ten hai bang la ine hasane how to becomes a youtuber suga hai how to becomes good youtuber sa ine sankyup je hai connection khora ne to lo chal mo ne ye youtube he sana lik mu he sistem ba youtube ni to he pangore youtube he sana lik mu he sana li video so mu he o ne to sale mo hai o ye to ru ka ab youtube hai monetize lo re sana kilu we re ab youtube hai đầu tiên ba sana akon he me youtube akon he đầu tiên lo ta re anna ine ha how to become a good youtuber re ha ine follow solo khamore ye ha ne to sala ye ha youtube ka chale o upload su ba ge ro kho hai sa shone youtube video le tho o pon hai sa shone youtube video le tho very irregular not consistent at all also youtube pa mane selibai phara na hijun na tilibai ne so punishment ni pai bare le abai monetize account hai monetize solire ana video ne regular molla lege abai youtube hana hai demonetize subare sana kyutalare ne kyudare ana ine good youtuber moge sana dekiru kamare sabane ya chichu ko sana dekir mo he tebre os banno ne asa ine ha abai photo he ine sana ne hakine pen ha bi ha youtube ni kira mo te ha ini ne to ka kine pa ni to ka kine pa le sha ka kine abai video pa chu le sha ro ne ni to he dakho ko ne sung opera there's alimna how to become a good youtuber way is interesting mo makka kini ma pai lege video la picture ka kini ma pai lege ka kini ma pai shun lege ro tes libi ma ha te ta so bawnu wara hasan khai so bra san ne to ida ma base ne youtuber so lai ta so lo good youtuber so lai ta so lo to nakine da holai bye bye please like subscribe and comment please like subscribe please